Higgsfield is running a limited 2-day promotion where every new user can unlock 24 hours of unlimited access to the top models available on the Higgsfield website. This includes powerful video models like Seedance 2.0, Gemini Omni Flash, Kling 3.0, and WAN 2.7, as well as image models such as Seedream 5.0 Pro, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 2, and Sol V2. For one full day, you can generate as many images and videos as you want without paying per generation. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate the free 24-hour unlimited access and test the offer from start to finish. We'll generate multiple images, create several videos with Seedance 2.0 and other leading models, and see what unlimited actually means in practice. This promotion is only available during the limited campaign window from July 21st at 9 a.m. EST until July 23rd at 9 a.m. EST, and it is available to all new users. If you're not familiar with Higgsfield or haven't used it before, it's an all-in-one AI creative platform that allows creators to generate images, videos, and audio from a single website. Instead of switching between multiple services, you can choose from a wide range of leading generative models, enter a text prompt or upload a reference image, and build complete creative workflows in one place. During this promotion, every new user receives 24 hours of unlimited access to all eligible top models on the Higgsfield website, including Seedance 2.0. Now let's get down to business and activate the free unlimited generation for one full day. As I mentioned earlier, we need to start with a brand new account. From the Higgsfield homepage, click Sign Up in the top right corner. You'll see several registration options. You can quickly continue with your Google account, Apple account, Microsoft account, or email. In my case, I'm going to choose Continue with Apple and create my new Higgsfield account. After signing in, Higgsfield takes us through a short onboarding questionnaire. It asks a few simple questions about how we plan to use the platform, our experience level, and the types of creative tools we're interested in. Just select the options that best match your needs and quickly complete the setup. Once the questionnaire is finished, Higgsfield may show a personalized discount offer for new users. This is not the free 24-hour offer we're focusing on today, although you can choose to use that discount separately if it makes sense for you. For now, I'm going to close it and continue to the free trial. Back on the homepage, click the small section that mentions unlimited access to all top models. This takes us to the pricing page where we can see the special one-day free trial offer. Click Get Free Trial for $0. You'll then be redirected to the Stripe checkout page where you need to enter your card details. Nothing is charged when the trial is activated, but keep in mind that the unlimited period lasts for only 24 hours. After completing the Stripe checkout, the 24-hour unlimited trial becomes active. When you see the confirmation window saying that the one-day unlimited free trial is now active, it means you can begin using the supported top models in unlimited mode. Let's test it. Go to the Video section and open the Video Generation panel. On the left side, you'll now see the Unlimited Mode toggle. Turn it on, and Higgsfield will allow us to generate using the unlimited trial instead of paying for each individual generation. For this first test, I've selected Seedance 2.0. In unlimited mode, we can generate at up to 720p, so I'll keep the resolution at 720p, set the duration to 5 seconds, and use a simple prompt. Now let's click Generate. As you can see, the video has been generated successfully. The gorilla is walking through the city while holding the cocktail, and the entire generation was completed through unlimited mode. I just forgot to turn on the audio. So this confirms that our free 24-hour unlimited access is active and working with Seedance 2.0.
Now let's test another model and generate a high-quality image. I'm going to use GPT Image 2 and create a cinematic automotive shot featuring a sky blue Lamborghini Huracan parked on a mountain racetrack. For this generation, I'll select high 2K quality. In unlimited mode, GPT Image 2 currently allows us to generate in 1K or 2K, so I'm choosing the highest available option. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and keep the output count at 1 since unlimited mode allows only one output per generation. Now I'll click Generate and wait for the result. As you can see, GPT Image 2 created a detailed 2K cinematic image while unlimited mode was enabled. This is another example of how we can freely test different top models during the 24-hour access period.
The image has been generated, and the result is quite beautiful and impressive. As you can see, unlimited mode also works perfectly for image generation. Let's perform a few more generations and bring this image to life. Go back to the video section, select Seedance 2.0 again, and upload the image we just generated as the reference. In unlimited mode, Seedance 2.0 allows a maximum duration of 8 seconds, so I'll select 8 seconds, keep unlimited mode enabled, and create a dynamic multi-shot sequence of the car driving through this mountain landscape. The video has finished generating, so let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the output is excellent. The motion is smooth, the camera transitions work well, and the car remains consistent throughout the sequence. It is a highly effective result with almost no visible issues. Now let's edit this video with Gemini Omni Flash. First, change the video model from Seedance 2.0 to Gemini Omni Flash. Then upload the generated driving video as the reference and enter a simple instruction to change only the color of the car while preserving the motion, environment, and overall composition. Now I'll start the generation and see how accurately Gemini Omni Flash can modify the car without changing the original movement or cinematic sequence. The edited video has finished generating, so let's take a look at the result. As you can see, the result is quite good. The car's exterior color has been changed from sky blue to bright yellow, while the original movement, camera angles, mountain environment, and overall cinematic composition have been preserved. So, as you can see, we were also able to use Gemini Omni Flash through the free unlimited mode. Before we finish, let's quickly summarize the main rules of this promotion. The campaign is available for a limited 2-day window from July 21st at 9 a.m. EST until July 23rd at 9 a.m. EST. During that period, every brand new Higgsfield user can activate 24 hours of free unlimited access to eligible top models on the Higgsfield website, including Seedance 2.0, GPT Image 2, Gemini Omni Flash, and other supported image, video, and audio models. The free unlimited period lasts for 1 day only. A payment method is required during activation, and the subscription will automatically continue after the trial unless you cancel it. If you don't want to continue with the paid plan, make sure to cancel it in 1 click during the first day from your account settings so you are not charged. Also remember that unlimited mode applies only to eligible models and settings available directly on the Higgsfield website. You'll find my Higgsfield tracking link in the first lines of the video description. Use that link to create a new account and activate your free 24-hour unlimited access while the promotion is still available. If you found this video useful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Higgsfield model you're going to test first. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.